Today I am going to create a swirling gradient logo in Adobe XD. So it's something look like this after the completion of the video. For this I am going to take a custom size of width 1400 pixel and height 1400 pixel. Yeah. And I am going to take a circle. So here the circle is not in exact circle shape, something it look like ellipse shape, right? So here we can change the dimensions of the circle. So I'm taking like 400 pixel width and 400 pixel height. So we got a circle, and I'm going to copy this circle and I'm going to paste it. By holding shift and right arrow, you can move the second circle a bit further, like a bit further right side. So I moved it. Yeah. Now select both the circles and go with subtract option. Now here I got something look like an off moon. So click on that off moon circle and add some linear gradient color. So here I am going with today orange color. So click this rounded button and go to here, select some orange kind of color. Yeah. And then click the circle and add little light orange or something similar which looks familiar with that color. So I did that, and I'm removing border just to make sure that only the color looks here. If you add the border, you can see that it was covered with black layer, right? So that's why I'm not going to add any border. And now I'm copying the circle and I'm going to paste it, and I'm rotating it by 40 degrees, and I'm moving a little bit inside. Make sure it got covered rounded, like don't keep your circle like this off way or something similar to that. So make sure it was covered wholly. Yeah. And now again click on that, copy, paste, and rotate it by 80, and make sure again everything is set properly, and copy, paste. Now turn it by 120. Do the same process. Yeah. So again copy, paste 160. Oh, you can see here, right, there's a gap between this one layer and the other layer. So I'm moving a bit upper side. Yeah, now it looks fine. So I'm moving this one. Yeah. So again copy, paste. So I'm going to make it 200. Yeah. Copy, paste. Now make it 240. Do the same thing, copy, paste, and make it 280. Again copy, paste, and make it 320. Yeah, now you can see, but there is a circle, but edges are not in proper order, and the circle inside is also not looking good. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take one more circle, and I will do drag it here, and I will make the dimension like 250 width and 250 height. And what I will do is I will drag this to the center of the circle. And now again I'm going to take one more circle, and I'm going to make it as 500 width, 500 height, and I don't want to use any background color, so I'm deselecting this, and I want to drag this to the center. So I drag over here. Okay, so I want to make it a bit high, so I'm taking the width as 550 and height as 550. So I'm dragging, so select this one and drag it to the center. So I'm using arrow keys. Yeah, I think now it is in exact center. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to add the border. So I'm giving white color and I want to increase it by 20. So here you can see the border is getting inside of the circle. If I want to get outside of the circle, there is an option here, so just click on it, you will get the circle outside, and still you can see some spots over here and there. So I want to increase the border by a little bit high, so I'm taking it 30. That's it. Now you can see, right, this is Swirling gradient logo with color combination of orange and light yellow. For example, if you want to change the color, means you want to give the priority a bit high like orange or yellow, you can select something and you can drag. See, you can observe the change over there. So I want to change for this, so go ahead and select this and just drag it here and there. So thank you. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comments.